Bloomfield Homes, elevating life and improving communities in some of the finest areas in Dallas-Fort Worth. Known for innovative design and added value with its all-included standard features, Bloomfield Homes range from 1,500 to over 4,400 square feet, including its popular Classic Series and its Element Series. As one of the largest home builders in Dallas-Fort Worth, Bloomfield delivers thousands of new homes every year across dozens of cities in the Metroplex. Communities offer built-in amenities for families like parks, pools, ponds, and trails, as well as convenient access to downtown Dallas and Fort Worth. Students can attend some of the top schools in the state, and every Bloomfield community is designed to create a safe, serene place to call home. With the highest standards of quality in construction, design process, and customer service, Bloomfield's goal is to help every family improve their quality of life by investing in a new home tailored specifically to meet their needs. Bloomfield Homes, making dreams come true.